Here's how I dyed my camo shirt darker for my Kashyyyk costume. First, you need to remove all the pockets from it. You can do this with a basic unstitcher. I just sat there and watched Marvel Zombies while I did it. Grab a pouch of black Dylon Intense Black and a pouch of Espresso Brown. Pour about 3/4 of each pack into a bucket with some warm, salty water. Use gloves because this stuff will stick to you like yours stuck to your phone. Once you've done this, add some more cold water and mix it about. Get your very nice camo shirt that you're definitely not about to ruin. Check out the colour while you still can, and then add it to the bucket. Really mix it around in this bucket, make sure every single part of it's covered. You want to give it a really good scrub in there before letting it sit for a little bit. I haven't really got a lot to say during this bit, but I'm trying to make these videos so you all know you can make these costumes as well, because it's actually pretty easy. So if you like that, give me a follow. I'll shortly be releasing a video tutorial series on making a whole costume, so anyone can follow that. Now we'll let it sit for 15 minutes. Now we're back wearing gloves again. You want to give it another stir around, make sure every piece is covered before you remove it. Should all be done, especially if you let it sit in there properly. You can also check out the camo pattern, which I'm doing here. Once you're happy with it, obviously it will be darker like this, so it will dry a bit lighter. Let it sit on the washing line, or wherever you have that it can sit, until it's completely dry. Give it some time to dry. Mine took about 3 days to completely dry out. Once that's done, then your new camo jacket is completely finished.